Good afternoon, all you crazy YouTubians. Another amazing day, 6 feet above and not 6 feet below, and you know what that means. Maybe you were blessed. I am blessed. We all blessed, baby. We all woke up on God's wake up list today, baby. Look at that storm. It's coming. Woo. Oh, yeah. Switch the camera around here. Whoa! That was pretty close. Whoa, lightning. Wow. I don't know if you're really seeing that, but some wicked lightning coming down. Wow, I know you saw that. Days, guys. And then we get to walk the trail with all you amazing people. Listen to that nature. Oh my word, I hope I'm catching these. Because they're like looking like they are right in front of me. Wow. Woo, that was a big one. Ooh, that one made me pee a little. No. Woo! Oh. Another amazing day, guys. Be blessed. Be good. If you can't be good at it, you gotta be good. If you can't be good, you gotta be good at it. And if you can't be good at it, you gotta behave. Especially in weather like this. Crazy. I'm going inside. Y'all have a blessed day. If you need anything, reach out to your old buddy Rev. See you in 16 days on the trail. Love you guys. Be blessed.